So if you clicked on this video, you're looking to make your garage more efficient, more organized. Well, the thing about it is I'll try to find some footage of the before, of what it used to look like. And all I had was this footage here and some of these other little clips here, these photos. That was all I could find. So it kind of gives you an idea. Really, there was no good shelving. It needed to be repainted. So let's start with getting everything cleared out and getting it painted. Well, now I've got it painted. Now it's time to build some shelves. Now these are some 4x4s I found on the side of the road. I just beat the concrete off of them, and these are perfect for the support of my shelves. So I'm back here in the back where all my piles of wood are, and I drug out all of the 2x4s I have. They are all right here, and some of them have things scabbed onto them. There's some with nails, some completely almost brand new, never been used. And so I'm dividing them up, ones that's already clean, and the other ones I'm having to sand and take nails out of. So I get them all prepped and ready. So then we can see how many boards we have. Hopefully we won't have to buy any for all these shelves that I'm trying to build. Now, this looks like I'm building just shelves in this little nook over here. That's actually not the case. I'm building shelves all the way across. So that each one of these, so there's going to be a shelf all the way across to there. Now the reason why I have this little nook, now if you look here, I want the shelf to go to here, but then it would just be like free floating out here with no support on this corner. And I'd have to put supports in the ground. But by screwing these into the wall and in the wall and into this board here, these, like, all my weight can go on these. I could climb these and they're not going anywhere. So now I can build a rectangle that comes out to here and screw this 2x4 into that 2x4 so it'll be held. Then we'll just put our shelf. So our shelf will be shorter here, but then be longer coming out to right here, all the way down to there. So this is as far as I can get. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need more than 5, we need 10. We're not putting 2 here and here because that's where my truck doors open up to. But we want 1 here. We want 1 here. That's 2 right there. We want 3, 4, and 5 right there. Now, I don't have any more boards, not even for the smaller size, this one. So we're taking some pallets apart because we're trying to do this as free as possible. So let's go out here and check out what I got out here. Now, obviously, I got 3 102-inch ones there and 3 there, but I don't want to take those 6 because I've got them there. I've got 3 here, and I believe these 3 are not quite 102 inches. They can be used, but not for the longest one. Obviously, there's more here, but then I'd have to take my partitions out for my metal scrap. So we're going to keep looking and see what we can find. If we have to, we will. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the jackpot. I hope I can even pick these up. Golly. Oh. Ow, that hurt my finger. I just pinched my finger. Ooh. Guys, every one of these is made out of a 2x4. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 6, that's 18 2x4s, not counting all of these. Guys, that's a big find. Now we've got all these shelves done, we just need to put on the slats, but we don't want it to take forever cutting and cutting. So we're gonna rig up something really easy to do that. Check this out. Now we have our chop saw, we put it on a board, we're gonna screw this down, and we're gonna put a stop on here so that it's 20 inches. Why? Well, this is 20 inches across from this board to the back of this one. Now here is one of the things you can do to just make your work that much better. After cutting all these, I'm taking a block with some sandpaper and we're just going to clean up these edges and make them nice and clean instead of all that rough stuff. One, that's going to keep you from getting a splinter, and it's going to look so much cleaner when you're done. And then that board looks so much better. Well guys, there it is, 186 boards later, and we got some shelves. Now the real task of filling it up.